Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, best sneakers for men to wear while playing pickleball. Pickleball is taking the world by storm, and it's easy to see why. Post-pandemic, pickleball has become the fastest growing sport globally. People have flocked to this game, which perfectly balances fun and fitness. Imagine a mashup of your favorite sports, a bit of table tennis, a splash of badminton, and a dash of lawn tennis, all rolled into one. The result? Pickleball. With its smaller court and tennis-style net, it's no wonder people are hooked. Plus, bonus points for versatility, one tennis court can accommodate 4 pickleball courts at once. But hold on, a great game of pickleball isn't just about showing up. You have to have the right gear, especially regarding footwear. With all the quick dashes, sharp pivots, and sudden stops, you need a pair of sneakers that keep you steady and nimble. Tennis or court shoes are your best bet. They're designed with top-notch cushioning and grip, so you can glide across the court and pull off those shots without worrying about rolling an ankle. And let's not forget, durability and breathability matter too. Pickleball is fast-paced, and your feet will be working overtime. That's why top brands like Nike and ASICS make sneakers that can keep up with your game, offering long-lasting comfort and support to help you play your best. Here are a few sneaker recommendations that we think will work best on a pickleball court. The Nike Air Tech Challenge 2 Phantom/Hot Lava Black Silver Pale Ivory shines with its eye-catching design that mixes vibrant colors with a retro flair. Made from a blend of real and synthetic leather, it's built to last, while the plush foam collar keeps you comfy all day. Originally stealing the show in the 90s, this classic is back and better than ever. The ASICS GEL-NYC Feather Grey/Truffle Grey stands out with its sleek blend of retro and modern style. The real star is its comfy midsole, featuring lightweight foam and gel technology for fantastic cushioning. It's all about striking that ideal balance between classic vibes and contemporary comfort. The GEL-1130 sneaker blends decades of design evolution while paying homage to the GEL-1000 series. Inspired by the 2008 GEL-KAYANO 14, it features a fresh look with modern synthetic leather. This retro runner is perfect for daily wear, thanks to the gel technology in the heel that offers both cushioning and comfort. Its stylish cream and white colors add versatility, making it ideal for casual outings and active days. Fast forward or rewind, it doesn't matter, the V2K RUN brings retro style into the future. Inspired by the Vomero, it channels early 2000s running vibes with flashy metallics and cool plastic details. The cushioned midsole ensures all-day comfort, while the chunky heel keeps you feeling great on the go. The rich vintage green color adds a stylish twist, making these sneakers perfect for casual outings and sporty looks.